Mastering the phrase, I must say. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, I must say. Understanding these three little words can add a touch of flair to your English conversations. So let's dive in and learn how to use I must say effectively. I must say is a phrase used to emphasize a statement or opinion that follows it. It's a way to express that you strongly feel the need to convey what you are about to say. It can also introduce a compliment, a piece of advice, or an unexpected truth. When you use I must say, you're telling your listener that you feel compelled to share your thoughts. For example, in agreement, I must say, your idea is absolutely brilliant. To express surprise, I must say, I didn't expect such a warm welcome. For politeness, I must say, I had a wonderful time at your party. The tone when using I must say can vary. It often adds a formal or polite touch but can be used casually as well. The key is the emphasis and the context in which it's used. It's important not to overuse I must say, as it might come off as insincere. Avoid using it in situations where simplicity and brevity are more appropriate. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of I must say. I hope this video has helped you understand how to use the phrase confidently. Remember, it's all about the emphasis and the context. Happy speaking, and see you in the next video.